Minerals are only found in the soil. Animals cannot make minerals. Plants cannot make minerals, right? If plants could make minerals, we could bioengineer lettuce to make gold, right? We'd all be rich. But a cow's body can't make calcium. Well, where does a cow get calcium from? Well, a cow gets calcium from eating grass that was grown in soil in which there was calcium. Now, if there's no calcium in the soil, or 10% of what should be there, there's going to be no calcium in the cow's body, or only 10%, and so forth and so on. It all goes back to the soil. The bacteria that are in the soil digest the minerals that are in the soil, and then the plants suck up the digested minerals, and then we eat the plant, right? So, because of modern agricultural methods with pesticide use, extreme pesticide use, the soils, the bacteria that live in the soils are being killed, so even if the minerals are in the soil, which they're not, the bacteria aren't present to digest them, and the plant is going to be minerally deficient. If the plant is minerally deficient, guess what? The farmer eats the plant is weak. So the farmer needs to use more pesticides to put on the plant to keep the bugs from eating it, because they don't want to lose the crop. So it's a vicious circle. It leads to more and more and more and more and more and more pesticide use, and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker food. Now, also, when you harvest nutritionally deficient plants, they taste like crap. So what does the food industry have to do to get you to eat them? Put sugar in with the food. This is one of the reasons why sugar consumption has gone up, I don't know, like 800%. It's crazy how much sugar we eat here. And you know, it's not because of the sugar industry is out to destroy humanity. It's because the food tastes like crap.